Surbhi from Digification. Today we'll learn how you can install a WhatsApp chat plugin to your WordPress website. Let's have a look at it. Here if you see at the bottom left, you can see this WhatsApp us. So whenever somebody comes to your website, you want them to easily chat with you on WhatsApp. So it's very easy that you add a widget here, you add this plugin here. Click and anybody who clicks on it would be redirected to your WhatsApp. So let's do it. First, you go to your dashboard, go to plugins, add new plugin. You can simply type WhatsApp chat. Here we'll use a plugin, click to chat. So we're using this plugin, click to chat by Holy Themes. Install it. You can select the position, you want it on the left side, you want it on the right side, you can select the icon. So here if you see we have installed and activated this plugin. Go to settings of this plugin and we need to check the number. So whatever number you have on WhatsApp, wherever you want to redirect, take that number. Now here I want to use this number, so I already have a WhatsApp icon here. So I'll copy this number. Let's go back. Now here you can see I'm changing this. Already the code is added. I don't have to add the code here. That's a number. And here if you want to create a personal message, you can. And that's WhatsApp us. And you can choose a list of styles. These are the icon styles, position type where you want. Right now we are doing it on the bottom right. Here you can see this icon. If you want to change this, you have these options. Now you can see at the same time you can see this icon getting changed. See this. So here I'm going to use this style 3. Click on Save Changes. This icon will be added to all the pages of your site, which is your entire website. Now here you see the WhatsApp icon is added and people can easily go and chat with you.